Hello, I'm Shantae Wooden here with Tula TV, and we are lucky enough today to meet Abby McNeil. First of all, tell us a little bit about yourself. What are you doing now? Where have you lived most of your life? Things like that.
Cool. So I grew up right here in this neighborhood, actually, and I am a graduate from Grantsville High School in 2006. I currently attend Utah Valley University. I'm a philosophy major.
So tell us some of the work that you've done.
Sure. So when we run in the pageants, we run on a platform, something that we want to promote throughout the year. I have run on the platform of Remembering Patriotism, which has a lot to do with voting and the American flag. Things like that have been important to me. We've helped register voters, that type of stuff. But beyond that, it's about finding the patriot in all of us, the person that wants to make a difference, the person that wants to do their part, be kind to your neighbor, mow your neighbor's lawn, whatever you can do. And so that's what I originally ran on, and it's been really fun. But we've also done the county fair. We've participated in schools. I serve on the Healthy Women's Board at the Mountain West Medical Center. So lots of fun ways to get involved. So the pageant's always in conjunction with the county fair, and so we just get right to work. We're at the fair all 3 days, all 12 or 15 hours of the day, from sunrise to sundown and beyond, and we do a lot of work. I sang the national anthem a couple of times, sang for the rodeo that was going on. We sang at the Derby. We participate a lot at the Derby. We walk around the fair. We help with the booths. It's a lot of fun, really a lot of fun. And it's really fun too because the people, like the clowns that are there, they just make you all these balloons and you get to wear them around so that everyone will go find the clown, or you get your face painted because everyone wants to, you're almost like a walking billboard, which is fun by me. But I encourage everyone to do pageants. It's a wonderful experience. You grow a lot. You make new friends. You get to learn a lot about your community, stuff you didn't know before. But as far as actual participation in the pageant, I would say to not be afraid, just to let all inhibitions aside and just go for it. But then practice a lot. That's often a really scary thing to practice. And I don't know why, our shower heads are very impressed with our singing voices, but they don't give very good criticism back and help us grow and develop. So practice your questioning. They can call me. I'll practice with them and practice interviewing because that's what builds your confidence. When you go in prepared, no matter what happens after that, you went in prepared. You learned a lot, and you come out with that self-worth that you did something of value. So
yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have anything else that you would like to say, or people you'd like to mention who maybe helped you get to this point?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. So something that I've always thought of since I was a little girl, we talked about this a little bit. I've been going to pageants for a long time, and I think something that's a dying art form is femininity, and I think we're forgetting a lot about what it's like to be a woman, and what a huge blessing that is that we have that opportunity to put on a little makeup and to curl our hair and to be a female and to share that kind and caring perspective that we have. And so my mother's been a great example of that for my whole life, but as well as many people I've gone to church with. Lots of people have taught me about that, what true beauty really means, and beauty on the inside shining through on your outside and making sure you're letting it shine through. And then my attendant, she's the sweetest girl. She's going to get married right after the pageant this next year, so we're excited for her.
Who are your attendants? Okay.
Her name's Rebecca Jensen. She's a sweet girl. And then Cheryl Adams is our advisor and our director, and she's been a hero in my eyes for a long time. She's a breast cancer survivor and a tough woman, and she's worked with this pageant for over 20 years, and she puts her whole heart and soul into it, into blessing girls' lives and to encouraging them to get educated and to read books and to make a difference in the world that they live in. And so she's taught me a lot about being around people and what it's like to be a part of a community. So she's great. I really appreciate her. Something I've learned throughout my whole life is that grades and books and money, all that stuff is important, and it'll get us through and it will help us, but we'll never have a life fully satisfied and a life full of joy until we learn to love people. And until we start to look at people and really see people and not just see their job or see their house or see their fancy car, but rather, or see their not fancy car or see their not combed hair or whatever. But rather we really see people and we learn to love people. And so that is what I love. It's what I've always loved about my community, but it's what I especially love about my community now as I've gotten to be more involved is Tooele County has the best people. They're always so kind. They're always so pleasant. They're always so willing to help. And it's a wonderful place to be. It was a wonderful place to grow up. It's a wonderful place to raise families and to raise neighborhoods, things like that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We really appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
Out of your busy day today, especially to talk with us. I feel like I've learned a lot myself. And I wanted to share one last thing. I love how Abby told me that I said, what's next for you? And she said, she graduates in December. She said, I'm going to live life out loud and make a difference. Mm-hmm. And after talking with you, I have no doubt that that's exactly what you're going to do. So cheering you on. It'll be exciting to see what's next. So, but thank you for all that you've done for Tooele County this year.
Thank you. It's been fun.
You're a great ambassador.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I'm Shantae Wooden. And again, this is Tooele TV. Thanks for watching.